bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
You guys, I don't know about Caesar. I keep it on hand. Come on, see the ADHD. Need like me just.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money.
Hey YouTube, it's around 5 p.m. Nilitoka kazi around 9 and I was here by 11. Nikakeo because I was so tired. Then nimeamka around 3. So I want to make some what is it called? Matoke. This is pumpkin and waro. I think ni matoke tu bado here. So that's what I want to do.
When we want someone to succeed on the show, our protection has to be the CEO, right? Like that's the bottom line of all of this. Because none of this works without him, and he literally almost went to jail.
Butternut. This is butternut. It's not the original pumpkin. Mwenye kibanda was kind enough to cut it for me. I'm just a girl.
It wasn't me, it was you. Yes. And he cut it off. Yes.
With the backwards. Pumpkin. Nitamaliza hii yote leo. Nibakishe hiyo.
Are you okay with getting protected custody for that?
I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world.
His shoes are scuffed up, you smell like shit. I'm giving you protected custody, I appreciate you.
Even in another life, I still like to be a woman. A girl.
I ain't gonna lie, these folks beginning to be good.
Womanhood is so unique and so special.
Yeah, I got 5 more.
Big ass potato.
You need protected custody.
I'd like to try vegetarian dishes for 1 week. Hey, nita survive. Jehovah. Hii ni waru moja imetoa all these pieces.
In emergent situation where there is a clear and present danger, health, safety, and welfare.
I don't know if I'll survive.
Forces them to decide
1 week without tasting meat.
Community-based services for assistance.
I think kuna zenye nitastone nitakuta baadaye. I'm standing on beanies. Could have been right cold. Oh, habari ya mwaka mpya. Okay, I don't know. I'm excited. So hizi nimeweka hapa. Nitapika siku ingine. Still have in the fridge. I love big onions. I got a good deal on my way here. You know what I'm saying? Those are big onions for 10 bob. Let me show you. Hapo bypass. Hapo kwenye kuna tuk-tuk za kwenda Tatu City. See how big they are. Moja 10 bob. Homa imenikalia, Jehova. Take away this cup of suffering. I'm standing on beanies. This piece.
We support the snitches now. You might as well say it.
Man.
Might as well.
Man, I just said PC, man. She didn't know what that is, man. Yeah. We still stuck in the trenches.
Hold on. Bring that last. Yeah, keep the PC. We're not going to do that anymore. We're going to keep the PC program.
I think about like a family. We used to go rather. Like a real friend, yeah. All the time, stand on business. That's what I'm with. Yeah, hit with the good you, be juicy. Yeah. Why you leave that? Hey, you one of the top niggas in our PC program. I appreciate it. Hey, where is the PC? Hey, don't leave it. Hey, come on up. You playing with your wife, boy.
I like to get hands on. We got another program.
Standing on beanies.
Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. He's actually good on
Sema.
I do like the liver ball though. That was kind of Why be got the juice?
I'm coming to the rich. Hey, look at that. I ain't know that was the 50
Hey, hold on, man. Hey, man, come on, man. This is excessive, man. Now, back up, man. Back up. Alright, let's go.
Hey, I'll come to rich. I'll come to...
My food is ready. But I prefer it smashed, so I'm going to smash it and then serve it. And there's herbal tea there for my homa concoction. Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So today is on 7th of December. It's around 12 p.m. Nimetoka shopping. I just got a few items that I need from Naivas. So I want to show you our shopping haul. Yeah. How do I look? So the shopping costed about 3,600. Yeah. All right, let me change my point of view, your point of view, and then I show you what I got. Right. I got a few items. Hizi ilikuwa on offer 39 bob. To collect your hero band. Nisaidie. Shopping haul. So niko na Indomie 140 bob. Coffee was Jehovah. Ilikuwa 340. Haya. I got the beans. Hero kit. 39 bob zilikuwa on offer. And then I got samosas. I've never tried them. I want to try them. This were 265. Yeah. Then I got my favorite chicken smoked sausage. Sausages. These were to something. Much is this? I think 269. Yeah, 269. My favorite ring cakes, 50 bob. I got three yogurts, Ilara yogurts. Zote vanilla flavor. Then I got 3 packets of milk, 26 bob each. And then I got this lemon herb for 80 shillings. It's so expensive, but I love it so much. It's my favorite sauce. Lemon pepper, any day, anytime. This was on offer for 147. Then I got 2 predators, 70 bob. What else? Hizi nilibuy nje 10 bob each. Nika ni season ya maembe. Maembe ziko kila mahali. Wakamba, it's your time to shine. What is this? Hii ya kuosha vyombo. It was on offer 92 bob. Then I got chicken. Alisema iko on offer. Hebu nione kwa receipt nilichajiwa how much. Mbona alinicharge 642? Kama ilitolewa. Ilikuwa supposed kuwa 540. But ni sawa. I got this chicken for 640. 642. And I bought fish. This was 335. Hata sijui venye nitaipika. I'll just Google. yeah, that's all for my shopping. So I want to have some chicken and some leftover matoke from yesterday. Yeah.
Guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.